Hi, I'm Rupal Agarwal, the Chief Strategy Officer at BPX. We are a process consulting company, and I'm here to talk to you about how Signavio Process Mining transforms businesses. Process mining is a powerful tool that can help organizations to improve their business processes by uncovering hidden insights and opportunities for improvement. What is process mining? Process mining is a data mining technique that uses event logs to discover, analyze, and improve business processes. Event logs are records of activities that take place in an organization's IT systems. Process mining uses these event logs to reconstruct the actual flow of work, identify deviations from the standard process, and discover root cause of problems. Now let's understand, how does SAP Signavio Process Mining work? Signavio Process Mining is a software platform that makes it easy to collect, analyze, and visualize event logs. It provides a variety of features that can help organizations to improve their business processes, including number 1, process discovery. Signavio Process Mining can be used to discover the actual flow of work for any business process. What is actually happening within the organization? This can be done by importing event logs from your IT systems and using Signavio's process mining algorithms to reconstruct the process. So before starting to investigate the data, you can surface automatic insights to understand what is going on within the process. These insights can be easily saved or added to your investigations to get you on the right path. The Process Discovery widget visualizes the process steps that are executed based on the information captured in the system. It gives you full visibility of the real process execution. For example, you see 1/3 of the cases, goods were not in stock, so the purchasing process was triggered. Number 2, root cause analysis. Signavio's process mining can be used to identify root causes of problems in your business processes. This can be done by analyzing event logs to identify deviations from the standard process, and then using Signavio's process mining algorithms to identify factors that are causing these deviations. To continue with our example, from the root cause analysis, it was clear that the internal average approval and confirmation time for purchase orders are much higher than they should be. This is something that could be directly improved internally, which in turn would have a positive effect on customer experience. Number 3, simulation. Signavio's process mining can be used to simulate different changes to your business processes. This can be done by importing event logs and then using Signavio Process Mining Simulation Engine to test different changes to the process. Then using SAP Signavio simulation capabilities, you can simulate and verify the potential improvements. Once the new process and automation has been implemented, you can monitor the performance of the time. At number 4, collaboration. Signavio's process mining provides a variety of features that makes it easy to collaborate with the stakeholders on business process improvement projects. This can be done by sharing process models, reports, and presentations with stakeholders. It ties the different SAP Signavio solutions together and supports every stage of transformation lifecycle. All the users from CEO to process analysts will feel right at home. Here you can see company's launchpad. At the top, you have the important processes and experience performance matrix that are to be monitored. They are being pulled from SAP Signavio Process Intelligence. In this example, you can see the MPS and the CSAT scores are lower than targeted. This might be something that you need to look into. Below, you can see the organization's company on a page diagram. It offers quick access to the different process areas and depicts different KPIs the organization needs to actively manage and monitor in order to deliver continuously and effectively to the market. So what are you waiting for? When are you implementing Signavio for your business? If you are facing any challenges with Signavio implementation, do get in touch with us, and our experts will surely guide you. Thank you and keep watching.